my energy. I look up and the whole room's spinning. You take my cares away. I get so overcomplicate. People tell me to medicate. Feel my blood running, sweat.
So starting off, I use the Havana by Camila Cabello. It's a sunlit bronzer in the shade light to medium. I just applied that all over my face because we're trying to get a bronzy, glowy look. And then I went ahead with my foundation, which is by Too Faced, and it's called Born This Way in the shade Sand. And I mixed that in with an Illuminizer by Becca. It is in the shade Champagne Pop. And I just mixed those two in and I applied it on my face. This is just going to give us really bronzy looking glowy loomy face. Ariana always has really matte but kind of loomy looking. Now in her music video Breathin, I paid really close attention to what she was kind of wearing, so this video isn't like exactly the makeup look that she was wearing, but it's like a similar looking look is what I thought I saw in the video. But yeah, on one of her makeup looks. And I just used the Fenty beauty sticks, and it's the shades Mocha and Bamboo. I used it for concealer and also to contour my face, and I just blended everything out. Then I applied some powder underneath my eyes so we don't have any creases, ladies. And Ariana never has really creases. Her makeup looks really good. It lasts for a long time. I don't know. Like, I'm just saying this because, I don't know. Then I used my favorite bronzer, Hulu by Benefit, just to bronze areas where I contoured. Next is my favorite part. Eyeshadow is always my favorite part, but I'm using a palette my boyfriend got me. It's by ColourPop, and it's a designer collection with princesses by princesses. Oh my god, I love princesses. I love Ariel. She's my favorite princess. I love Disney. Oh my god. So when I got this, I was like, damn. Anyways, I use a top row. It's basically like mauves and kind of pinks, and I use a shimmer called Ray. And the shimmer, I used it in the inner corner of my eyes, and I just created a really dense, really harsh looking crease. And I kind of messed up because it looks more orange than brown, so I used my bronzer to kind of fix it up. I love using a bronzer, guys. This is my trick. I'm giving you guys a holy grail trick. I use bronzer when I mess up any makeup look. I use a bronzer, and it literally fixes any eyeshadow you messed up. If you think you put too much, or if you think it's too dark or something, bronzer is a lifesaver, and I've used it so many times. So yeah, after I did that, I did my eyebrows and I did my lipstick, but my camera died, so I'm just gonna tell you what I use. I use Kylie Jenner, what a surprise, in the shade Hazel, the lipstick and the lip liner, and I overlined my lips to make them look bigger and rounder. And then my hairstyle, it's really simple, guys. So because my camera did die on me when I wanted to record the hairstyle, I just did it for you guys to show you. But if you guys want me to do a separate video on the hairstyle, I will. Just comment down below, and yeah, let me know. But it's really simple. It's a low pony with some hair wrapped around the elastic, and then your bangs, you just pull them down and you curl the ends, and you want to do like a really deep part starting from the end of your eyebrow. And yeah, that was simply it. The makeup look, it's really similar to hers, and I really liked how this came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.